Here's how to make a Google Doc display as a single continuous page, removing all page breaks entirely. Open your Google Doc. Go to File at the top, then click Page Setup. A dialog box will open. At the top, you will see two tabs, Pages and Pageless. Click Pageless. You can choose a background color if you want. Leaving it white matches the standard Google Docs look. Click OK. Your document will instantly switch to a continuous single-page layout with no page breaks dividing your content. All your text, images, and formatting stay intact. The only change is the removal of page boundaries. This is especially useful for long documents where page breaks interrupt the reading flow, or for documents that will be shared digitally rather than printed. To switch back to standard paged view at any time, go to File, then Page Setup, and click Pages instead of Pageless. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step by click.